Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethena. I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a video on it today because it didn't look too interesting. But still, I mean, what happened and what I do think is worth covering, and that's also what we'll be talking about. Is that obviously what we talked about yesterday, and well, no, yesterday morning actually. I mean, it looked longer ago, but no, we talked about this yesterday. Is that we got a bearish breakout, a pretty significant one here below 90 cents. So what we mainly talked about yesterday is that the only way we can actually turn a bit more bullish, and the only way that Ethena actually has some strong potential here, is if we're able to reclaim that level. And the price action afterwards was a bit weird. I don't think that in hindsight 90 cents was that much of an important level. But we did reclaim that. So we were already showing some strength. Bitcoin was also showing some strength yesterday, which is also, I mean, that's also just one of the main causes why Ethena has been a little bit more bullish, right? Bitcoin right now, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, is super high. So that usually means that Bitcoin's moves influences the entire market. So that helped. But then what's more interesting is that over the course of this morning, when we actually gained some real momentum for Ethena, we broke this downtrend. The downtrend that caused us to get all these, well, at least some major drops. So we broke above that, and at the same point of time, what you can see right now is that Ethena, again together with the entire market, but that Ethena is gaining some really strong momentum here. All right, you can see the open interest. This is more than most altcoins. All right, so sure, Bitcoin right now looks relatively strong, and if we break above 65,000, that's a good breakout, and we can actually see some real bullish momentum. However, Ethena is also doing some things on its own. All right, so that's why I think Ethena needs to be covered, and that's also why I think it's a bit more interesting than other altcoins. So yeah, that's what you can see right now. The open interest already had a bit of a rally yesterday, I think, and what you see, especially in the last 3 hours, so this is super recent, you can see that the CVD is very bullish in the last 3 hours, and the open interest is rallying, while at the same point of time we're also getting some spot buying again, which is the first time in quite a while that we actually see some positive spot inflows. So obviously that has to continue. All right, the only way we can actually continue to be relatively bullish is if this momentum continues to go up. But the way Bitcoin is looking, I think Bitcoin has a good chance to break out here. And if Bitcoin breaks out, that bullish momentum that comes from that breakout towards Bitcoin will also cascade into other cryptos. And I would find it very unlikely that open interest moving like this will fall if Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout. So I expect this momentum. Look, in the end, you need to keep your eyes on this yourself too. You need to keep your eyes on the open interest, because if for example, we find resistance right here at this resistance level in terms of open interest, then we lose the momentum, and then we can no longer rally, or then rallying higher is less likely. So you do need to keep your eyes on that. But at this moment, I would say the odds are in favor of a continuation for Ethena. And then apart from that, like I said, technically we also got a bullish breakout here. So we got a technical bullish breakout while momentum is going up. So I expect us to be bullish. $1 is the main resistance level. If we can break above that, 1.05 and even 1.15 are very, very much possible. And that's what I think is most likely. Under the current circumstances, that's what I think is most likely. Now, if Bitcoin starts falling here and it's not able to break above 65,000, then Ethena will fall as well, because the correlation is still so high. But at the moment of speaking, at the moment of making this video, that doesn't seem to be the most likely scenario. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.